Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can permanently remove or delete the grayed out exclusions in the Windows Defender. So as you can see right here, I already managed to remove my exclusions, and this is how they looked before I managed to remove them. So then whenever I clicked on whichever one of these, the remove button was grayed out. So I wasn't able to remove the exclusion from Windows Security or Windows Defender. And then I also tried to remove them in the regedit or in the safe mode boot in Windows using the command prompt, but none of that worked. And about a year later, I finally found a way on how you can remove these. So it's actually quite simple, and you don't need to boot in the safe mode or anything else. So let's get right into it. Now, first off, just go to your Windows search in the bottom left and then search for PowerShell. Once the PowerShell pops up, just go ahead and right click and run it as an administrator. Then you will have this terminal right here, and from here we can just go ahead and delete the exclusions. So what I did, my issue was that exclusions were located in two separate folders, and I was just trying to delete them from one folder. Then once I deleted them from a folder number 1, they will just automatically re-added to that folder because they were backed up in folder number 2. So if you have some malware exclusions, that usually happens. But using these commands, we will delete them from both of the folders at the same time. So let's go ahead and first initiate this command, which will just tell us where these exclusions are located. Now after that, let's go ahead and delete them from the first location using this command right here. And also on a side note, these commands should be universal for any Windows system out there. Now once they're deleted from the folder number 1, let's go ahead and initiate the command that will delete them from the folder number 2. And there we go. Now you can go to your exclusions tab and it should look like this. So this is the solution if you tried everything else and nothing worked. As I mentioned, after about a year of trying to get rid of these 10 or 11 exclusions that I had, this is the only method that actually worked. So if this also worked for you guys, go ahead and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.